Did you know that Jamaica is actually the tip of a massive underwater mountain? That's right. The island we call home is just the peak of a colossal range hiding beneath the Caribbean Sea. And the truth about it will change how you see Jamaica forever. Stick around, because what lies beneath is more ancient, more powerful, and more mysterious than you ever imagined. Welcome to Jamaica's History, where we uncover the hidden stories of our beautiful island. If you love real Jamaican history, no gimmicks, just facts, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Jamaica isn't just an island. It's the exposed peak of an underwater mountain that rises from the floor of the Caribbean Sea. Scientists call it the Blue Mountain Ridge, but it's much bigger than even our famous Blue Mountains. Millions of years ago, volcanic forces deep beneath the ocean pushed this mountain up, breaking through the water's surface. That's how Jamaica was born, not from small coral islands like many in the Caribbean, but from volcanic rock and powerful geological shifts. Picture this. Beneath the waves, the mountain stretches for miles in every direction, connecting to the larger Caribbean plate, one of the Earth's slow-moving giants that shapes the entire region. But this isn't just a cool fact. It explains why Jamaica is so unique. Our rich soil, it comes from ancient volcanic ash. Our towering blue mountains, they're the sharp ridges of this hidden giant. Even our earthquakes, they're a reminder that the mountain beneath us is still alive, still shifting, still powerful. And here's the twist most people don't know. This underwater mountain connects Jamaica to places like Cuba and Hispaniola through submerged ridges, forming an ancient bridge that once allowed animals and plants to travel between islands. Millions of years ago, before humans set foot here, the Jamaican mountains stood tall, while much of the Caribbean was still underwater. Fossil records show that species migrated along this mountain chain, which acted like nature's secret highway. And the indigenous Tainos, they settled here because of the fertile valleys and fresh mountain springs, all gifts from the ancient mountain below. Modern science has only recently mapped this underwater world in full. Deep-sea expeditions and satellite scans have revealed the true size of Jamaica's submerged base, and it's bigger than anyone expected. This hidden mountain not only shaped Jamaica's past, but it also holds clues about our future, especially when it comes to earthquakes, tsunamis, and even climate change. So next time you look at Jamaica, remember, you're standing on the crown of an ancient, mighty mountain, a symbol of strength, resilience, and beauty, just like the people who call it home. If you want more untold stories about Jamaica's secret history, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's spread the real knowledge about our island to the world.